In this video, I'll show you how to use Facebook Marketplace on your phone to buy or sell items easily. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap the menu icon and look for the Marketplace option, then tap on it. When Marketplace opens, you will see many items listed by people near your location. You can scroll through the listings to explore different products. If you are looking for something specific, tap the search bar at the top and type the name of the item you want. You can also use filters to narrow down results by price, category, or location. To view an item, tap on the listing to see more details such as photos, price, and description. If you are interested in buying it, tap the message button to contact the seller and ask questions or arrange a meeting. If you want to sell something, tap the sell button at the top. Then choose the type of listing, such as item for sale. Upload clear photos of your item, enter a title, set the price, add a description, and choose the category. After filling in the details, tap Next and then tap Publish to post your listing. Your item will now appear on Marketplace for others to see. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Mobile phone.